Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to enable Roblox face camera. There are a few steps you have to take. The first is to open your Roblox app on your mobile device. The next is to look at the bottom right and click on More option. So right here, you're going to scroll gently and click on Settings. Click on Account Info. So right here on the account info, you're going to see a drop down close to it. Just click on it. Click on privacy and content restrictions. Click on communication. Click on camera inputs. So you have to make sure that the toggle close to camera input is turned on. The green dot indicate that Roblox is using your camera. So this is how to enable Roblox face camera. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.